Hey guys, so this is the Mul T Lock that I just got in that package from Darkwood Picks a little bit ago. I attempted to pick it on camera, it was taking me too long, so I cut the video short to go ahead and show the unboxing video, and it wouldn't be a year long. However, I feel kind of foolish for doing that because I got it picked about 2 minutes after I turned the video off. So we're gonna try and do it again. Now I got it going counterclockwise, and I feel like that was beneficial to me because it made the gutting a lot easier. I didn't have to try and dodge this gap or the cuts in the back. Now, like I said when I opened the package up, I've never picked a dimple lock before today, so I really didn't know what to expect or exactly how to go about doing it. But it's not that hard, really. If you can pick a standard lock, you can pick a dimple lock. Let's just put it that way. Okay, it dropped into a little bit of a false set there. Okay. I feel like I might have overset something, so I just let a little bit of tension off. Okay, getting some feedback again. Okay, just fell into a little bit of a deeper false set and a little bit of a deeper false set even. Getting some counter rotation. Ooh, now I'm in a real deep false set. I must just be on inner pins. And there it is, it's open. Okay, now we'll gut it to show that of course it is populated and everything's going on in there. Mul T Lock Interactive. My very first dimple lock. Oh, I lost a pin. Oh, I'm losing pins. Oh shoot. I'm losing inner pins. I don't have a key, so I suppose it doesn't really matter where these inner pins go. So I'm just gonna jam them in somewhere. Okay, now let me pull my... Oh, whew, glad that did not fall. I'm going to sit that core right there, and this, and I'm going to slap my pinning tray over here. Okay, now we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let me arrange everything there. Okay. Get all these pins facing the right direction and whatnot. I'm actually a little bit surprised at how easy these were. There you can see down the keyway. Right here is the interactive element. Maybe you can see it this way too. Yeah. Right there. That little interactive tab sticking up. Okay, now for the drivers. 1, standard. These things have some crazy springs in them, like huge. Look at the size of these springs. I've never seen anything like that. Huge. They're long and they're a larger diameter to accommodate these large diameter pins. 2 is a spool. I added that after I picked it the first time because it was all standards. The standard upper is right here. I have a few extra pieces that Darkwood sent me on the side right there. It was pretty easy to do with standards, so I added 1 spool. I'm going to add the other one after this. I have to take these springs out or I'll damage them as I try to pull the next pin, the pin behind it. So there we go. I'll leave that last spring in there. Well, that's right there. Why not? Alright, Mul T Lock Interactive. Pick, gut, very first dimple lock I've ever owned. Or not ever owned, but the very first dimple lock I've ever picked. We've got a spooled key pin here. 1 little serration on the bottom there. Standard. Another spooled one. Standard. And then we had standard, 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 mushroom, standard on the drivers. And all of these inner drivers has a little spool element to it, which I don't know if that's... I mean, it's got to be for security purpose. Here's our core. We've got an anti-drill here, here, and here, which is the UL rated cylinder, as you can see on the face there. It says UL. Alright guys, there it is. Mul T Lock Interactive. Picked, gutted. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I'm really excited to do this lock. I've been watching everybody pick these for so long, and I've been trying to find one for less than a fortune. Again, big shout out to Darkwood Picks. His work is amazing. Couldn't have done this without him. He gave me these flags, and they weren't even included in what I purchased. He just threw them in out of the kindness of his heart. So really appreciate that. Thank you, Darkwood. And I'm going to get to work on some other locks that have been sitting in my naughty bucket for a while. A couple dimples. I got a Dom IX. I got a Caba 20. I recently got a Marks High Security in a trade from another gentleman on Reddit named Rusty Locks. Username Rusty Locks. I also have the Schlage Primus that I debuted in my video earlier today, and I've still got this stinking Asus Twin 6000 that I've been working on for months. I've got nothing on this thing, man. Hopefully having the flags will help me out with that, because I'll be able to control the finger pins a little better with actually getting a real flag in there underneath of them. So I'm really excited about that. Yeah. Alright guys, again, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, if you liked the video, if you want to just kind of banter with me, leave a comment down below and I will get to you. Thank you so much.